In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay AliExpress with Jazzcash 2025, step by step. First, open the Jazzcash app and navigate to My Account, then Debit Card, then Virtual Card. Apply for a virtual Visa card and complete the quick verification using your national ID and the one-time password sent to your phone. After approval, the app will generate your card details, the card number, the expiry date, and the 3-digit CVV. This virtual Visa functions like a regular Visa for online purchases, so you can use it on most international websites. Before moving on, make sure your Jazzcash balance covers the product price, shipping, taxes, and any small issuance or currency conversion fees. Keep your card details confidential and avoid storing them on shared devices. Now head over to AliExpress on the website or through the app and start shopping. Add the items you want to your cart, then proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping address carefully, including your full name, street address, city, postal code, and a reachable phone number. It's a good idea to review seller ratings, compare shipping options, and check estimated delivery times. Choosing a tracked shipping method can make order monitoring easier, and entering your address in clear English helps avoid delivery delays. When you're ready to pay, select credit or debit card as the payment method and choose Visa. Enter the Jazzcash virtual Visa card number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as shown in your app, then confirm the payment. If you're prompted for OTP or 3D Secure, approve it promptly using the code sent to your phone or banking app. If a payment attempt fails, double check that your balance is sufficient, your card details match, and that international online transactions are allowed. Sometimes a small temporary verification hold may appear. It usually clears automatically. There's also an advanced route that some freelancers or online sellers use. You can move funds from Jazzcash to Payoneer, use a Payoneer virtual MasterCard, and pay on AliExpress as you would with any card. Keep in mind this method is slower and can involve extra fees, so it's best for people who already use Payoneer for their work and are comfortable with the added steps. If neither option is available to you, a practical fallback is to ask a trusted person who has a Visa or MasterCard to pay on your behalf while you send them the money through Jazzcash. Only do this with someone you trust